point in my life where I just always needed an extra $2,000. Like a bill would come up and it was always $2,000, or there was something I wanted to do and it was always $2,000. And it was like this number over and over and over again that I was always $2,000 short. So this training and video is about how to make 2K. If I needed to make 2K this week, right now, let's go. Obviously, I'm a copywriter. I would personally start there, and I would look on my friends list about who had a business and who needed help with social media. And I would learn Canva really quick. They've got tons of templates, so it would take you a couple hours to get comfortable. I would grab ChatGPT and I would offer to create them a month's worth of carousels, quote graphics, with captions, stories for a month for $2,000. But some of you are just not creatively inclined, which is totally cool. Totally fine, no big deal. So again, look at your friends list, look at your contact list, and what do these people need? What problem can you solve for them? Do they need meal prep? You can cook and create meals for all the people who are athletes. Offer to do all their meals, for cost plus work for, $2,000. Do your friends need their dog walked? I always need my dog walked. I always need my dogs watched. So yeah, I would pay $2,000 to have someone come walk my dog every day. Do they need their house cleaned? You don't have to have a business. You can ask your friends, listen, I'm trying to make $200,000, or I'm trying to make $2,000 really quick. Look around, find a problem that you can find like 5 people who have the same problem, and go pitch them your service. Okay, but when you pitch somebody a service, you can't just be like, yo, is there something I can do for you to earn some money? Like you're not asking your parents for like comic book money. You're not asking them for allowance. Go to them and say, I will do this task this many of times, or this many of hours, or this many of deliverables for $2,000, and DM them, text them, and be like, hey, like I need to make 2K. And it's crazy how many people will want to help you in exchange for services. So if you're like, hey, I'm trying to do A, I need $2,000, I'm offering this, it'd be really rad if you took me up on this offer. Like people love that clarity. They love being a part of something. They love helping people. So if I know I'm spending money to solve one of my problems and I'm also helping out a friend, that's a win-win. But sometimes I get it. Asking friends for money, for business is kind of weird sometimes. So if you're against that, we've got the internet. Ladies and gentlemen, you might know me and you're watching this. That's the power of what we have. You literally have access to the entire world. You have access to your entire city because of online. So post something or cold DM 50 people every single day until you get your $2,000. Money is not that difficult to go get. You just have to offer something of value. Okay, so let's recap here. You need $2,000. You need to make $2,000 this week. Look at your network. Look at your friends. Find a common problem, a problem that 5 to 10 people need solved. Create an offering around that. I'm going to do this amount of work, this amount of deliverables, this amount of whatever for $2,000. Go and send 50 cold DMs or 50 messages to every single day until you get people to commit to that $2,000. All you need is one. All you need is one. So it's just a numbers game at that point. And there you go. That's how you do it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And it's funny because now I'm at the level to where, the things I need aren't $2,000 anymore. The things I'm trying to buy aren't just $2,000 anymore. There's levels to this. You start leveling up. So now the things I was like, man, I just need an extra 10K. And it's like, okay, well, how do I go get 10K? Guess what? It's the same exact play. It's the same exact play. I look at my current clients. I look how I can bring them value, more value than I'm already bringing them. I look at other problems I can solve for them. I try to upsell them into something, create an offer that's valuable for them, upsell them into that. Or I do the same exact method. I look for a problem to solve in my network, on social media. I create a solution and then I pitch it. It's the same damn thing. Whether it's 2,000, 10,000, 100,000, it's the same damn play. You can do this on your own. I 100% believe in you. However, if you want some help, if you want some guidance, if you want some mentorship, I created a copywriting mentorship program. I teach you how to write amazing copy. I teach you how to set up and run your business. I teach you how to do sales. I teach you how to scale. And I'm personally there. I'm your mentor. I'm your coach. I'm live with you every single week. I'm critiquing your copy. I'm helping you step by step build your own copywriting agency, or you can join mine and I'll pay you to write. It's entirely up to you. Either way, it's an option. DM me if you're interested in fast tracking this bitch.